Whooptiloo, so where did we end up yesterday? Yeah, with that confusing ass rooms panels thing going on. Cause we got like suddenly, yeah, rooms constructed 6. Up until here it makes sense. And over here I guess it should be 7 instead of 6. And over here it should be way more than that. Yeah, let's yeah, and it gets way over the rainbow. So starts its phase state is 2-2, and has a starting list less than 9. Oh, I guess here return that. Some starting. Alright, this piece of code is totally weird. Yeah, so if that is some returns what? Oh. Uh-huh. 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 Uh-huh, yeah, I get it. That thing is green probably because of this piece of code, and it's also probably breaking because of this piece of code. So how do we fix this? This is starting list, and if let's do it like that. If rooms constructed is less than 9. Alright, I have breakfast. Nice. Alrighty then. Just like so, right. So here if rooms constructed is less than 9. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's rooms 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So if it is less than 9, we say shit. We say if that, we say rooms, we say panels plus equals starting list rooms constructed, and we also increment rooms constructed plus equals 1. We increment it by 1. And what do we do then? Return some starting list and okay. Alright, so that's that. So we have to modify everything over here. If face count is 0 and rooms constructed is equal to or more than 9. Here the same, and rooms constructed is that oops 9, and also here we turn this else into if, and we say face count. We check if this is face count 2 and rooms constructed is check equals to 9. Alright, that should have dealt with that. So it's rooms 1 panel 6 failed for okay. So we failed for the 0th one. Oh, this one always goes one step ahead, and here it completely crashes. Well, failed for rooms 1 panels 6. Okay, right over here. Rooms constructed. If we do it -1, that won't solve the problem, I think, because it will just start the... Okay, 3 should equal. Why is 3? Oh yeah, it just picks the last one. That's right. If rooms constructed is... What a cutie. If... Yeah, let's turn up the brightness so we can see more clearly now. And then rooms constructed 9. Alright, for n equals oh Jesus, for n equals 2 and this happens 14. Yeah, what the heck is going on? Oh badoosh. Oh badoosh. Think we're gonna have to rewrite this one. And these if sentences are kind of all the same. And what up, cat? Yeah, so 1 and panels 3. So this, I guess, should start at 0. That's a better way, because we're also testing for rooms equals 0. Yeah, first 3 pass. This one doesn't pass. Why? Rooms 1 panels. Oh, okay. Okay, let's see what's up. Here it mixes up the... So we say rooms constructed starts at -1. Oh, yeah. Now that's wrong. Say if rooms constructed equal to Oh, if starting list rooms constructed equals 0. Yeah, that's kind of a catch 22 I got myself into. Alright then. What about doing her, as they say? So what's wrong? It says rooms 1 and panel 0. You know, the 0, I shall remove this 0, and I shall just say over here, if n equals 0, return 0, and that's it. Oh, okay. Eleven should equal 6. Why do you go all the way to that? Rooms 1, panel 6. Yeah, that should end it. If rooms constructed is more or equal to 9. Alright, so let's debug this monstrosity. Oh, here you say first clear that, and we say print first if, then we say print alright, just first elif. Well, now I need to go to the fucking toilet. Well, that's first elif, that's second elif, and that is shit. Let's print the third elif, and there is no else. Yeah, so it just goes 1 goes 3 times through first if. Why does it go 3 times through first if? If rooms constructed is more than n is 1. So over here we should print rooms constructed just like so. Oh, thank you for this linter. Rooms constructed and let's test it out. Let's 1 and 1, then it's 2. Well, what? And this test passes. So it should be if rooms constructed is exactly the same as n. First 3 always pass. That is good. List index out of range. Alright. 39. I got this list index out of range. If rooms constructed is less or equal to 8. I think that should solve it. It's still listing X out of range. Oh. Listing X out of range, so it's 0. Constructed is. So something's going in over there, and it is knocking it out of range. And it is not even logging. And it probably is in this is this. So if rooms constructed is 8 and it still goes into the first if rooms constructed is less than 8, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's test it out. I guess 36, 36, 36 all the way. Recursion depth. Gesundheit. So then nothing happens. If rooms constructed is more is more or equal to 8. It's more or equal to, yeah, I guess I don't know how to count. And that's not a joke, I actually don't know how to count, but neither do most of the people, they just are not aware of it. Alright, okay, we shall again get an infinite and 12-second. Well, at least that's not our computer, at least this is their server riling up. So first you got this, and then first elif, second elif, third elif. Alright, so this elif things work. And we're getting 22 and 36. Here is, and yeah, so here something between over here it should stop, but it doesn't. So somewhere at this point there should be exactly 36 panels, but they're not, because I thought I thought this while loop is constructed that it stops when rooms equals to rooms constructed. So what we'll do here is we'll do print construct rooms function. Oh, that shall be lots of printed material. Oops. Okay, so we'll say rooms equals to constructed is rooms constructed. Test it out. Yeah, 12 seconds again. Seconds. Right, so this is construct room function. Rooms is, yeah, look, Rooms is selected. Rooms construction is. So this bumps it up from 5.3 to 1.18, and let's move that over here for a while loop and check it out over here. Expected an indented block. Well, I did too. Let's test it out. Alright, so we get many more of them, which we want. So right over here, rooms constructed 22. So we say over here, say 8, 22, 23, 31, and then we say, okay, so suddenly it goes from 31 and it just says rooms constructed 53 when it's only 31. Why? Why is that? Why is that, you say? Well, construct rooms function while. So this is construct function while loop, and right over here it suddenly thinks room constructed is 5.3 somehow. And it happens just so quickly. Rooms, because yeah, right over here it says rooms constructed 31, and then it goes. I guess this thing breaks it. Print break the while loop in construct rooms function. Alright. Break, yes. Yeah, so even here it says from 14 it goes to 22. So here is the difference of 8. It's plus 8. Over here is even more. It says so 14 to 22. Here is plus 22. So plus 8 plus 22. Now what's going on? So we return the panels. We'll return the panels and the rooms constructed. Yes, so we do return the right thing. And are they maybe mixed up? Because over here, for example, the first elif function, result of construction is that 0 is panels 1. 0, 1. Yeah, that's correct. Phase status is over there. Phase count, yeah. And I guess nothing wrong is with the first elif, is the second elif. So result of construction of phase status and panels rooms constructed panels plus equals result of construction 0 rooms result of construction 1 phase status 0 0 plus 1. Yeah, so that is the right, but it's still, here we enter the second, well, even from the first elif to the oh, when phase count is immediately passed to 1, so over here it says phase count. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, I know what's up. Wow, let's take a break from this realization. Or no, let's not take a break. Fuck it, let's turn it into day mode. Yeah, what's up? Oh shit, it's so bright now. Shine bright like a diamond, am I right? Yeah, so what happens here is that the algorithm forces wow, rooms constructed, it goes up a lot. Yeah, but it's not the actual number. The thing is that the algorithm forces it, like, because we want, like, shit. Yeah, phase count 1, and we want to actually do that over here. Maybe. Alright, so yeah, I guess we have to make the return statements right here. And call it self. And also right here. And also right here. And in the end, we do not really need that. So we'll see. So we'll just say over here, if that ever happens, we'll just say shit, all if statements did not fulfill the requirements. Test that. Oh, look, all if statements did not fulfill the requirements. Even for that one, somehow. Right, so I guess that has to remain. And from this one, of course, it did not pass. 8, 9. It's the same fucking thing, you know, the same thing. Except that over here, if panels, if rooms constructed equals n, which it does not, then say panel count, call itself with n, panels who are by default 0, rooms constructed, phase count and phase status. And phase count here should be 1. Yeah, something is with these jumpy numbers that I don't seem to understand really well. So y is like, yeah, let's break the while loop and construct rooms function. 14, so it's like, oh bruh, that's still true. And rooms construct 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then we want to continue at 14. It somehow continues at 22. So that loop is broken, and returned are the panels and the rooms constructed over here. Result of construction, and we increment the number of panels by that value, increment the rooms constructed by the second value, we increment the phase status by 1, and we change the phase status to 1, and then we return panels if rooms constructed, but then it's else, so we do panel count with n, panels that we got from over here, rooms constructed that we got from over here, phase count from over here, and phase status from over here, still from here. If n equals 0, of course that doesn't happen. If rooms constructed is less than 8, that does not happen, so we enter the second elif as a result of construction, and right over here we get like this somehow inflated number of rooms by 8, and now that's connected. Yeah, wow. Alright, so now that we know that the first elif, that the like these elifs are cool, and that's, oh yeah, that is also cool, and that is also cool, and that is also cool, and that is also cool. We should have print out the result of construction, and also here print the result of construction. Alright, now it's gonna time out, of course. This is like waiting for functional tests, you know, in our Django project. So it's like 5914. So it's always like 59 panels and 14 rooms. One to 8. Yeah, I think that's wrong. No, it's not. Well, I don't know. So 1 to 8 and 31. That just goes into very big numbers, you know. But yeah, it should go all the way up to here. something over here is broken. Let me say. So that really doesn't give us any information. So that thing just timed out on me, you know. So as we went, it's somewhere between there and there that it misses it. So and there was a problem in rooms, right? Number of rooms constructed. So let us say print rooms before face is rooms constructed before first elif print rooms created is result of construction. The first one, and then print f rooms after first elif face rooms constructed. Okay. Oh, that shall not give us the sufficient data that we want. But I guess all of that is to say, hey, wherever you may go. 4 created and then 22. So something times something. So 2 times 2 is 4. So there should only 4 rooms be created. Should I just copy paste over that, huh? Because it's the same basically. And by the way, that is already assigned to refactor. So here we just say second and that's the third. Paste over the third. Yeah, let's test it out. So we got rooms before first alley phase is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rooms created 14. It should say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It should say 6. Or rather, it should say, well, there are multiple there are multiple things wrong over here. First, that it says that the rooms created are 14, while the rooms created are the rooms created are 6, and there should be 4. Let's say print f tuple with phase status is that 2, yeah. See. So what is rooms created are 14 instead of 6, but there should be 4, so that is the problem. Because everything else checks out. So there is, I guess, something wrong with over here, because it somehow just says rooms constructed +1, and there's just too many of them. Print end of while loop construction array is construction array. Shit, fuck you. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and somehow that is counted for 14. Oh, I get it. 8 plus 6 is 14. So all of those ones should just be that. And panels should also, instead of plus equals, should just be equals. So that is the first thing. Well, I guess it's the same wherever you may go. Oh Lord, yeah. 8 rooms created, 14 rooms after first. Alright, so, and there is no way we know how to, oh, rooms created is we say result of result of construction minus rooms constructed. So that minus that. So, oh, result of construction. Paste that. 1 minus. Paste that. So yeah, to repair our print statements, rooms created 6, 9, 20, 12. Alright, so that is all right. So it's not infinite anymore, which is really great. But now the problem is that, wow, 140 should equal 141. Oh, so there are some minor, I guess, minor differences. But yeah, I'm gonna take another break. Alright, let's continue. So the thing is that right over here we go through how many? I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 3 if phases, and we're shy of 1 panel. Here we go through 3 of them, or 4 of the phases, and we're shy of 2 of them. So let's make an attempt on all of them. Oh, okay, all of them failed, but here we're shy of 2 of them. Here we're shy of 1 of them, 2 of them, 1 of them, 1 of them, 2 of them. Here we're shy of 3 of them. Here we are shy of 3 of them. So let me get that straight. Let's go into our trusty Python sandbox. Make that larger and beige. Maybe like that. Say, oops, ls, and oops, documents, programmирование, and we do to Python sandbox ls, say Python 3 that, oh, and we have to do it 3.3. Well, something that 5.9. How do we get 95? How do you get, is there a way to get 95? No, 59. How do we get 59? Like we can just do like is 5.9 prime number. I think it is. Yeah. Well, let's say then 5.9 just divided by 2. 1. Well, we used the wrong one. No, what? So that 29.5. So we say 29.5, 29.5, and then over here we say 2. Oh, and we get a bunch of them. what? Oh, so you get that, and we say sum of that whole big array 208, and we check that over here. Oh, it should be 208. Okay. It should be 208. Oh no, because it is well, that starts from where? That starts from 5443, so it is not this one. So this one should be that, and this one should be that, so starting list is ought to be rather, let's see my battery. Starting list is ought to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. It's 8. So maybe we should say rather something like a sum, and we take everything but the last 8 ones. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Copy. We paste that. Then we say plus sum of this one. Copy. Paste. 219. So now we get 219, which is one whole different number. Well, what the heck? Yeah, obviously there's something wrong with this one. Fail for this, shy of 1, shy of 2. Yeah, something's going on and I don't know what. I don't know how could I oh. Alright, so I think we've come up pretty far nevertheless. This is this is pretty close. It's not, we're not there. Also here we even reach the max buffer size. Alright, so if we just delete, maybe if we delete all of these print statements, max buffer size won't be reached. Otherwise, well, fuck. Alright, so let's make a temp. Alright, please max buffer size don't be reached. Yeah, it will be reached. Now execution timed out. What? Let's do that again. Oh, so if max buffer size isn't reached, the execution time times out. Oh. Well, so we're not that close, I guess, to the solution. Well, that's it for now with this grave thing. Hope you have a nice day.